All right, we've been waiting a while. Somebody had trouble apparently. Here they come. Can hear him coming through the bushes. Going that way.
Forearms.
Ah, got pumped up, huh? Hold on too tight.
No, it's the clutch.
Oh.
Yeah, this one's fine. It's the clutch.
Ah.
Years.
Fucking Hondas.
Look out the money, get it replaced, you don't have to deal with that.
Yeah, you got too many. You got too many strokes too. We're just going right over here and taking a break. Mike still behind you?
Yeah, we're on the radio. Would your brother not have liked this?
He'd have loved it. Loved it. But he'd have been grousing the whole time. Hey man, this could get deep any minute now. Look at it, man. It's
what we live for.
exactly. It doesn't get better than this.
Dream of this in our sleep.
Fuck. That is so beautiful, man. I actually been talking into the microphone on the way.
Good.
Please don't run out of battery. Please don't run out of battery. I want to get this whole section.
Yeah, Slade loves those videos.